Have you ever felt glad because you didn't miss watching a film? It happened to me. I watched a lot of movies and found these 10 movies unique and thought you must watch them definitely. So, let's start the countdown. Predestination is a sci-fi thriller film. It's a brilliant and well-written movie. You'll be amazed watching the climax. I won't say anything about this movie because you'll curse me if I do, but I assure you you would find this movie very different. Get Out is a horror thriller film. This movie is one of the best thrilling movies I've ever seen. Chris, an African American, decides to meet his girlfriend's family during a weekend getaway and faces unexpected horrors, and what happens there is a complete thrill to watch. The Curious Case of Benjamin Button is the story of Benjamin and Daisy. Benjamin has a rare ailment of aging backwards. It's a romantic fantasy film, and you'll feel really good after watching this movie. Slumdog Millionaire is a story of teenager from the slums of Mumbai and becomes a contestant on the show Kaun Banega Crorepati. He is then arrested under suspicion of cheating because he is able to answer all the questions. While interrogating, he reveals that he had all the answers through revisiting his past. Mad Max Fury Road is one of the best action adventure movies I've ever seen. The story goes this way. Max, a drifter and survivor, unwillingly joins Imperator Furiosa, a rebel warrior, for a quest to overthrow a tyrant who controls the land water supply. You should watch this film because of the mind-blowing action scenes. KGF Chapter 1. I don't know whether you'll watch the films which I've mentioned earlier, but I insist you to watch this film because it's a fantastic experience to watch it. It's a South Indian film. The story begins with the narration of a book highlighting a place and person Rocky. To fulfill his mother's dying wish, he goes far beyond expectation seeking power. The second chapter is yet to come, and I would say it's the most awaited film of India. Umbad is a horror drama movie. The plot of the film is really awesome and the movie is wonderful. It's an Indian movie. The film has disturbing visuals which are really required for a film like this. The story goes this way. Vinayak attempts to get hands on the cursed wealth of Hastar, a monster who is never to be worshipped, and faces catastrophic consequences. Memento is a mystery thriller directed by Christopher Nolan, a creative visionary director. In this film, Leonard, an insurance investigator, suffers from anterograde amnesia and uses tattoos and notes to hunt the man who killed his wife, which is the last thing he remembers. Besides good story, the presentation of it is what brought this movie into the list. Forrest Gump is one of the best drama films I've ever watched. You know, some films are meant for knowing ourselves, and this is one of them. Forrest, a low IQ person, recounts the early stages of his life when he found himself in the middle of key historical events. All he wants now is to be reunited with his childhood sweetheart Jenny. Inception. It's pretty obvious, as most of you might have heard about its eminence. The story goes this way. Cobb steals information from his targets by entering their dreams. Seto offers to wipe Cobb's criminal history as payment for performing an inception on his sick cooperator's son. It's damn amazing, guys. You should give it a watch.
Not exactly.
Thank you for watching.